Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be a good old-fashioned home update. Mainly, I'm gonna be sharing some new home decor pieces that we got in the mail. I have a new work from home setup, which is very, very cozy, and I think you're really gonna like it. I have not filmed one of these in quite a long time, so it was definitely past due. I cannot wait to share with you all some of my home decor favorites, things I've been loving around our house. Also, I'm very excited because today's video is sponsored by Walmart, which I just love Walmart. If you have not shopped Walmart in a while, maybe you've been sleeping on Walmart, you didn't know. Well, now you know that Walmart has some of the best home decor, you guys. I've shared a few things around the house that are from Walmart, and I got even more goodies, which I'm gonna share with you all soon. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you wanna see all my new home decor items, then please just keep on watching. Okay guys, we're gonna walk over to the guest bedroom because the first Walmart find is in the guest bedroom. You guys, I have to show you this mirror. Let me turn the camera around so you could see her in her full glory. Okay, let me move this chair as well so you can really see her. Okay, now you can really see her. I absolutely love this mirror. We had a mirror here before, but it kind of had a white trim. It was kind of a little bit bulky, so I wanted something a little bit slimmer. This mirror is really nice too because if you don't want to mount it on the wall, you can have it down on the floor, and it kind of has like a little kickstand behind it, so you can just like have it literally on the floor propped up. And I just really like this. It's obviously a Walmart find. One of my favorite Walmart brands are Better Homes and Gardens, and you guys, I'm telling you, they have some of the best stuff. Okay, next up we are in our pantry. I'm not going to show you too much because that needs like completely reorganization, but this Tineco vacuum is from Walmart. It was super affordable, and it has completely replaced our other vacuum that we had up here. If you know, you know. This is a cordless vacuum. I just have it charging up here, but if you take it off, it is a cordless vacuum. I really like this. It's lightweight. It's really nice. We've had it for, I want to say like maybe like 2-3 weeks at this point, and we've been using it pretty much every single day in between like actual deep cleaning. This is great if you have kids, little ones, and you need to just like vacuum up a mess. I love it too because it lights up when you're using it, and it's really not that loud. It's just really nice. So not only does Walmart have amazing home decor, but they also have some home essentials like this vacuum and the next item I'm gonna share with you. Okay guys, and speaking of gadgets and gizmos from Walmart, I picked up this hand blender. Basically what you do is you just plug it in and then you can start mixing. You can use this immersion blender, which I am so excited about this. Fall is pretty much right around the corner. I mean, I'm celebrating fall early, so this is perfect for me right now. So you can use it to make soups. You can connect it to this part and chop up your vegetables. Maybe you want to make some hot cocoa and whisk it up. It just all attaches to this part right here. You can just turn the knob, press start, and start mixing, and you're good to go. Like I said, it's perfect for like the holiday season, fall coming up, whatever you want to cook and make, you can really use with this hand blender. I love it. Okay guys, and if you've been keeping up with the channel, you know that we did a complete garage makeover in here, and I was thinking that this spot really needed something, so I decided to get a faux tree. This is a Walmart faux tree. It is 6 feet tall. It's very tall, and I like it too because it's very thin, so it doesn't take up too much space. I think it's perfect for this little workout area in our garage. I love how there's actual like olives on the branches. It's just very nice. And if you feel like your space or a corner in your space just needs a little something, it's probably a faux tree or some sort of plant. And I think this looks great over here in the corner. I might switch it and put it back behind there, but for now I feel like this like makes it look even more cozy and inviting, which if you're already coming out here to work out, sometimes it's a struggle. So having a little bit of decor never hurt anyone. Okay guys, so we are clearly back upstairs. We're in our bedroom, and I wanted to show you all my pillows that I got from Walmart as well. You have to click on this link and look at the reviews. It is so many like 5-star reviews. I want to say like tens of thousands of reviews on these pillows, and for good reason. They are extremely comfortable, and so they're like soft, but I don't like a very soft pillow. They're soft, but the perfect amount of firmness. They're so plush and cozy. I don't know if it's an age thing, being in my 30s or what, but I cannot sleep on like a flat pillow. I'm just very, very specific about my pillows, and this is perfect. Like, it's just so cozy. It's plush. Like I said, I took it out of the pillowcase so that you all can see actually what it looks like. This is a king size. It's just so incredibly cozy. I don't want to get my makeup on it. It's so cozy. I love it. And of course, it'll be linked down below. Okay, you guys, so those are all of my Walmart finds. Thank you again to Walmart for sponsoring this portion of the video. So now if you want to see even more home decor and how we've kind of like set up some areas in the house, then please just keep on watching. Continue watching. Okay, so moving on to some home updates that we've made. I wanted to show you this rack slash organizer here. I love this thing, and whenever I share it on Instagram, I get a bunch of questions about it. So I wanted to share it here. I absolutely love this. It's really nice because it's white. It kind of blends in. Like, it's not that bold and eye-catching. I don't know. I guess for a shoe organizer, like, it kind of sort of blends in, so it just like makes sense for this space. I really wanted something at the front of our door to put our shoes on because we don't wear our shoes in the house, and I feel like this is just a really, really good option for us because this space right here, like, we don't have that much room for like a bench or a long shoe rack. Like, you know those ones, if you've seen them, you know what I'm talking about. So I love that this one is narrow. It fits right here. It doesn't block our window right here next to the door, so I can like peek out, see if we have packages, like see who's at the door. The only thing is it is a little bit tall for our light switch, but it's not impossible to reach. Like, it's really not that big of a deal. So I love it. You can adjust these shelves, which is really nice too. And I just feel like it's exactly what we needed. Is it the most like gorgeous, beautiful addition to the space? No, but it's functional for us. We just needed it. So this is as cute, I think, as it gets for a shoe organizer. So I'm really happy with it. Okay, next up, I don't know if you would consider this like part of a home update, but this is my new like work from home setup. You guys, I love this. Like, it is so cozy because I'm sitting here on the couch. If I want to, I can watch TV, which gets me into trouble. Like, I get distracted. So I try not to do that, but I can sit here, be cozy. Most of the times I'll have a blanket and I'm able to like clicky clack on my iPad, be on my phone, answering messages, doing what I need to do right here. I've been obsessed with this Apple Pencil. So I literally have everything set up how I need it to be. I love that this little rolly desk has a cup holder here too. So I can put like a drink in here, have my candle lit in the background. Like, it's just a vibe. If you work from home, you need this. This desk is like a rolly situation. It doesn't roll the best on a rug though. If you have like an office work from home area that doesn't have a rug, or maybe you have a space where the rug is like, where the rug stops and you can put this in front of it, I think it would be easier to roll. This does adjust, so it can be taller if you want to stand and kind of take a break from sitting, or bring it down low. This is the lowest that it goes, and I just really like it. You can swing it around, tuck it in even more. Sometimes I'll have it upstairs in our bedroom. Like, it's just really nice. This is the largest size as far as like the desk. Like, I got the biggest, the widest one, and I just really like it, and I wanted to share it. If you work from home, you know how like you just want a cozy setup. You want to be comfortable. I mean, you're at home. So this is as cozy as it can get. To me, I'm sitting crisscross with a blanket, maybe having like some lo-fi music on YouTube playing, and I'm editing and getting work done. So I just love this setup, and I had to share. Okay, guys, and next up is the newest addition in our bathroom. We're in our bathroom, if you couldn't tell. It's this skincare rack. I love this thing. Hold on, let me take that down so you can actually see. I'm afraid to move it. I don't want to spill anything, but I love the gold like detailing here that connects the acrylic like plates, I guess. It is so pretty. Like, I love how it's displayed. It looks like I'm at like a spa. It's really, really cute. I know for a while I was really like anti having anything out on the sink, and I guess technically like it's kind of like that shoe organizer. This is very functional for me and when I'm doing my skincare, but like, is it the most Pinteresty? Probably not, but it works, and like, I don't know, I love it. Maybe this is like like coming of age. Not everything has to be Pinteresty. This is real, okay? This is as cute as we can make real life. So I just have my skincare, obviously, on these racks here. This is pretty much everything I use. I keep my face wash in the shower just because that's usually where I wash my face, and I love it. So it just keeps everything organized. I see everything out, even some new skincare that maybe I got sent or I've been meaning to try. It's out here, so it's not out of sight, out of mind. Okay, guys, so next up, we are gonna be doing a little bit of DIY over here. Not really, sort of. We're just adding these baskets in my office to my office door. So the kids started school. They're in elementary school. I know I have not updated you all, but they are officially in elementary school. We're in our elementary school era, and they get papers sent home like crazy now. The pre-K that they were at last year, well, and the years prior, was so casual. It was so relaxed. Like, we could text them like it was not a big deal. Now it is like legit. Like, we have newsletters, like we have forms to fill out. So needless to say, I need a spot where I can put all of their information and stuff that I don't want to forget, things that we get in the mail, school related stuff. So I got these baskets, and I thought kind of stacked on top of each other on the back of the door would be nice. This is clearly going to be a Rob job. He's gonna nail them. Hopefully, I don't know, hopefully it'll work on the back of the door. We'll see. I trust Rob. So I know he can figure this out, and I think it's gonna look cute. So let's hang these up and see what it's giving. Okay, guys, here we go. Rob is here.
Can't forget these.
Okay. It's basket time. Right, Rob?
That's right, it's basket time.
Okay, this is gonna help us when the kids bring home newsletters, flyers, order forms, all the things. So we put a piece of paper in there just to kind of gauge, like, okay,
Don't laugh at me.
Lower, the bottom one lower. Yeah, I think that's good, just in case like we get some big things. But yeah, that's great. That's great. That's perfect. Okay, let's do it. Give this video a thumbs up for Rob. Rob, why aren't you saying anything?
Because I got a nail in my mouth.
Oh, wow.
Sorry. Yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys like it, we'll do some more like these.
Is that nail big enough? Is it long enough, I mean?
It's not about the size.
Oh, yes, it is.
It's about the motion.
Are you putting it through the leather?
Should I not?
No! Put it through the literal hole. Okay, come on. Rob, not it. Hold on, babe. It looks like you just randomly picked a spot. It was like, here will be good.
On camera, I showed them me picking where I put the nail.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
You guys, I absolutely love it. Shout out to Rob for installing these on the back of the door. I think they look incredible. But not only that, it's going to be very functional for, I don't know if you hear Nala in the background. Her little collar is shaking. Yeah, there we go. Okay, anyway, it's gonna be very functional for our family. We can put like mail up here and maybe kids newsletters and things like that down here, and that way everything is organized and in one place. So here's kind of a closer look to it. This is how everything is looking. It's pretty deep. Like, I mean, it's big enough for like our mail, and yeah, I love it. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. Those are all of my new home decor items. Don't forget to check out Walmart. I'll have all of my new Walmart finds linked down below. You guys, I'm telling you, if you were looking for affordable home decor, affordable items that are also aesthetic, chic, some must-haves in there as well, because I shared the vacuum, the hand blender. Walmart has it all. It's definitely one of my go-to places to shop. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I share Walmart finds all the time. It's just honestly so good and just too good not to share. So I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And we, all of my home decor, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.